Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we will talk about how to develop our positive attitude this year 2025. So tune in. Number 1, choose the people you surround yourself with. The people we associate with will have a major impact in our lives. They will influence us either negatively or positively. Kung ang lagi mong kasama ay sugarol, I believe that there will be a chance na magiging sugarol ka din. That's why surround yourself with the kind of people you want to be like. Kung ang palaging kasama mo ay mga may pangarap sa buhay, dati wala kang pangarap pero dahil sa kanila, nagkaroon ka na. Same with our finances. Kung ang lagi mong kasama ay gastador, tignan mo madali ka rin magwaldas. Number 2, join a small group or socialize yourself. Dahil gusto nating maging physically fit, I join the group na nagtataybo every morning. Actually, it helps so much. Iba din kasi yung ikaw lang mag-isa. You are not motivated and always tinitignan mo yung oras. That's my experience po ha. Same po sa ating financial life. Joining a group like pages in Facebook, kung hindi mo alam mag-invest or mag-budget, join that page. Tignan mo kung hindi ka magkakaroon ng kaalaman. Number 3, choose reading books than maritism. And of course, choose also what will you read. Baka mamaya, pocketbook naman imbes na yung librong pwedeng makatulong in your attitude or financial life. Remember, who you will become tomorrow depends on the books you read today. Number 4, choose the seminars you attend. Attend professional seminars that will boost your career and help you advance in your chosen industry. Money should not be the issue in learning. Treat learning as investment, not an expense. An investment is something that is purchased with intent for profit. Likewise din po on the things you will learn in a seminar. These learnings can increase your awareness for success, unlock your skills, awaken your attitude, and improve your knowledge for you to be fully equipped in everything you do. We have to learn in order for us to earn. Number 5, choose the words you speak. Never underestimate the power of the spoken word. Kaya nga maraming mga motivators na nagsasabi na words are powerful. Kaya nga meron din yung sinasabing law of attraction. Our words have the power to make our lives what we desire them to be. Kaya huwag mong sabihin na wala kang pera. Instead, may pera ako kaso na budget or naka-budget na. The spoken word is not only powerful to make changes in our lives. They have the power to make the changes we would like to see. Once po na binago natin ang ating mga attitude, they will automatically change our perspectives. The way we interpret things, the decisions we make, the actions we take, the results we get. Changing our attitudes will change our lives forever. So if you change your attitude, meron din pong pagbabago sa ating financial life. I swear and I believe on that. If you really want to change, start it now. Huwag mo nang